This is Scott and Wendy's van. Awesome couple. This is on a Weldtec lift kit. Last lifted van meet, I didn't get to film all the interiors, so I said I gotta film all the interiors this time. I'll pin his Instagram and YouTube in the comment section. There it is. It's nice and cozy. And you work out of your van, huh? Yeah. Nice.
Feel free to open up all the doors. Yeah.
Here's the back. He's got an air fryer. That's awesome. 2 Blue Eddies.